This example has added some work samples. Once samples have been added, they can be edited at any time by selecting the Edit button. The title and description can be adjusted. A new document can be uploaded, or a shareable link or embedded media can be added. Work samples can also be deleted by selecting the trash icon. Work samples can be reordered in the individual categories using drag and drop. When at least 2 work samples have been added to the portfolio visibility settings will appear at the top of the Career Portfolio Editor page. This is further explained when you hover over the question mark in that section. When the employer search status is on, employers can search for your portfolio. When the shareable link is turned on, a short link to the portfolio will be created for you. This short link can be shared with others so they can view your portfolio. Please note that the URL created will only work while the shareable link is set to on. If you change this to off, the URL will not work for anyone who has received the URL from you through your resume, cover letter, social media, etc. If you copy and paste the short URL into a new tab, this is how others would be able to view your portfolio.